Motion graphics are very popular on the internet. Many pages are becoming very popular, and new businesses are starting every day. Imagine creating a special page and starting a business without needing to make animations yourself or spend any money. That's exactly what I'm offering you today. Let's talk about the easiest way to make videos and create a plan for your page to make it a successful business. I'm going to show you the simplest way to start one of these pages in real life. At first, it might seem like starting this kind of page is expensive or that you need fancy software to edit videos or motion graphics. However, look at this Instagram page with over 322k followers and only about 211 posts. If you scroll down, you'll see that they've taken animations from other places and used them again by changing the backgrounds and maybe changing the sounds. I'll show you, step by step, how you can do the same. You can also create digital things and offer services on your Instagram page like this page does. We'll talk about that later in this video. Enough talking, let's start. First, find many Instagram pages that have shared motion graphics clips. To do this, search for motion graphics on Instagram and you'll find lots of pages like this. Next, pick a video with a black background. Or, you can mix 2 or 3 motion graphics clips into one video. By doing this, you can save many videos for your own content. After that, to save the video, copy its link and use an Instagram video downloader. Select Reels, paste the link, and download the video. Now the second step is to find a background video. To find background videos similar to the ones used in the videos mentioned, there are 2 simple methods. First, you can access a Google Drive folder via a link in the description that contains over 20,000 clips, all available for free. These clips can be used to create a variety of different videos. Alternatively, you can search for similar videos on free stock footage websites such as Pexels or Pixabay. On Pexels, for example, you can type luxurious in the search bar and then click on filter to choose vertical from the options. This will help you find videos that match your criteria. Step 3. Create a voiceover. Okay, now, you have 2 options to continue. The first one is to use the same voiceover we downloaded from Instagram and repurpose it. The second option is to create a new voiceover and quotes using AI. I will explain both ways, and you can decide which one to use. Right now, we're creating our script and voiceovers. Later, we'll explain how you can use the same voice and script. Next, we need to find motivational quotes. Let's ask ChatGPT to write 3 simple and motivating quotes about staying focused. I'll be using motion graphics in the video that focus on staying concentrated. So, I'm asking ChatGPT for quotes that match this theme. If you decide to use motion graphics about productivity, then ask ChatGPT for productivity quotes. The same goes for stock footage. Use similar stock footage that fits the theme of the motion graphics. Now, for the next step, we need a voiceover. You can use any voiceover tool. I prefer 11 Labs because it has human-like, realistic voices. We've mentioned the link in the description if you want to use them. Choosing the correct type of voice is very important, as it will improve the video quality and help people connect more with your videos. Copy the text, open 11 Labs, click on the voice library, click on filter, and choose old from the options. Here, you will find many deep voices that you can use.
We do not quit playing because we grow old. We grow old because we quit playing.
Trust only movement. Life happens at the level of events, not of words.
I will go with this. Let's add this voice to our voice lab. Now, paste the quote and click on generate.
Stay focused on your goal, even if it feels far away. Every step forward gets...
Perfect. Let's download this. The last thing to do is edit the video. I'll use Capcup, a free desktop app. You can pick any editor you like, but make sure you follow these steps carefully. First, open Capcup and click New Project. Put all the motion graphics videos, background clips, and voiceover into Capcup. Drag the voiceover track into the timeline. Arrange the background video clips to match the audio. Remember to delete the audio from each background clip. Here's a neat trick to enhance your video's visual appeal. Follow these steps to give your video a dark and ambitious look. Select a video clip and click on Adjustment. Repeat this process for the remaining clips. Drag the motion graphic video and drop it on the upper layer. To remove the background, go to Blend and choose Screen. Now, let's combine 3 motion graphics videos. For a unique touch, follow these steps. Choose the animation video and click on Adjustment. Press on the curve to stretch it. This will change the animation's color, turning it red, blue, or green. Play around with the curve to create a video that's truly one of a kind. This way, your video won't seem like a recycled one. If you choose the second method, where you add another voiceover track, mute the animation clip entirely. If you prefer the first option, which involves using the same voiceover from the clip, then don't mute it. Instead, use the same voiceover and music. If you have any uncertainties about both methods, comment below, and we'll assist you. After that, you can also include effects and filters to enhance the attractiveness of your video. Before posting your video on Instagram, consider adding background music. This is important because using popular music can make your video stand out. To find popular music, go to Instagram, search for motivation, and click on audio. There, you'll find many trending songs. Pick one that suits your video. For example, if you see a song that's been used in 3521 videos, it's likely popular. You can add the music directly by clicking Use Audio. Alternatively, you can download a video that uses the same music, import it into Capcup, extract the audio, and use it in your video. However, for this video, I'll use a different song to avoid copyright issues on YouTube. Once you're done editing, click Export to download the video to your computer. You've learned about making videos. Now, let's talk about making money from Instagram pages. One way is by selling digital stuff like ebooks or courses. Use ChatGPT to make an ebook and sell it to your followers. Also, you can do motion graphics projects for clients. They can pay you well for this. Just go to Fiverr or Upwork, give the job to someone else, and take a cut. For instance, if you charge $500 for a project, you can outsource it for $250 and keep $250 as your fee without doing the work. Cool, right? Tell me in the comments how you make money from such pages. Peace. Now, back to our video. Focus on your goals like a laser, ignore distractions, and find success. Concentrate on your journey and see achievement unfold. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.